BPC 157 and TB 500 are two of the most discussed peptides in recovery research. But despite often being mentioned together, they appear to work through very different biological pathways. Today, we're examining what the science suggests about their mechanisms and where researchers believe each may play a role. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. BPC 157 is a synthetic peptide derived from a protective protein sequence originally identified in gastric tissue. TB 500 is a synthetic version of a naturally occurring peptide fragment associated with thymosin beta-4. Researchers have investigated both for their potential roles in tissue repair and recovery. Research suggests BPC 157 may influence pathways involved in blood vessel formation, cellular signaling, and tissue organization. TB 500, by contrast, has been studied for its relationship with cell migration and cytoskeletal remodeling, processes that help cells move where they are needed during healing. One area of particular interest is angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. Scientists have explored whether BPC 157 may interact with pathways associated with vascular repair, while thymosin beta-4-related mechanisms have been investigated for supporting tissue oxygenation and cellular recovery. Improved circulation is especially relevant in tissues that naturally receive limited blood flow, such as tendons and ligaments. Researchers have also examined how both peptides may influence inflammatory signaling. The goal is not to eliminate inflammation entirely, since inflammation is a normal part of healing, but rather to better understand how recovery processes are regulated at the cellular level. Rather than viewing BPC 157 and TB 500 as competitors, some researchers have proposed that they may affect different aspects of recovery biology. BPC 157 is often discussed in relation to localized tissue signaling and vascular responses, while TB 500 is frequently associated with broader cellular migration and repair mechanisms. However, many questions remain, and human clinical evidence is still limited. As research continues, these peptides remain subjects of interest in regenerative biology, tissue repair, and sports medicine. Determining their precise therapeutic value will require larger, well-controlled human studies. Final note, this video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes. I am not a physician, and nothing presented here should be interpreted as medical advice. BPC 157 and TB 500 are discussed in the context of scientific literature and research. No dosages, treatment recommendations, usage protocols, or purchasing guidance are provided. Any health-related decisions should be discussed with a qualified healthcare professional.